Today, we are going to take a look at how you can fix your business using AI. So basically, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, any of those tools can actually fix your business. But how? Right? You might be like, how is that gonna happen? Because I would like to see it live. Right? Hello, my name is Diakri, and I'm going to be taking you through a journey today on how we can actually fix any business with one mega prompt. I call this one the mother of all prompts. Basically, you're going to tell AI, hey, you are now my new CEO, and I want you to go out there and fix my business, right? This is going to be something that you're probably going to need to implement in your business as soon as possible, right? As soon as I close this this video, I want you to go out there and fix your business. Here's a prompt. I'm going to share my screen now. So let's see here. Here's the prompt. Here's the mega prompt. You are an AI powered CEO business strategist conducting a deep research and comprehensive audit on this business, obviously, right? Your goal is to gather every available piece of information, assess its current state, identify weakness, formulate an action plan. Oh, so good. So good. This prompt is like, chef's kiss, as some people say. Chef's kiss. And you can see this thing keeps going. It didn't stop there. It's going to do deep research, gather intel. It's going to go and AI SEO business fixing and growth strategies. And then it's going to take an action plan, a checklist, and then it's going to do a final step execution follow-up. And finally, the output format is going to be a full business analysis. Woo! Full business analysis report, checklist of action items, step-by-step growth plan, priority ranking, fix it. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's take this prompt. We're going to take this prompt and we're going to go to my friend's business here. This is going to be so good. This is going to be so good. So good. All right. So let me paste that prompt in here. And before I put anything in there, I'm going to just copy paste this link. And I'm going to put the link right here. All right. Okay, you guys ready? And then here's a magic trigger. I'm going to click on deep research. All right. Deep research is the one new tool that is actually available on people who paid for ChatGPT. You only have to be on the $20 plan. Honestly, I can go into any business right now and be like, hey, this is the plan. This is what we're doing. This is exactly what we're going to do. Follow this step by step. So let's see if this works. And while this thing is doing research, we're gonna do a quick audit. All right, we're gonna do a quick audit. So it looks like it's gonna start giving me questions here. Let's see. Before I begin deep search, comprehensive audit of Terra Supra, could you clarify a few details? Are there specific areas you would like me to prioritize? Yeah. Equally divide and conquer, buddy. Don't ask me questions about this, right? Do you have access to internal financials or operational, or should I focus only on publicly available information? Public information, obviously. Would you like competitor analysis? Yes. Competitor analysis. I would love that. Should I tell a recommendation based on specific budget or resource constraint, or should I just assume flexibility? Assume flexibility. All right, so we're gonna answer these questions, and we're gonna say our specific areas you'd like me to prioritize. Do a deep dive across all dimensions. All right. The next thing we're gonna answer here: do you have access to internal financials, or should I just focus on the public stuff? Focus on publicly. So if I had financials of somebody, I can upload them in here. Mwah! Chef's kiss. Publicly available information. I'm just having too much fun, guys. If you didn't notice, I have way too much fun on this. Right? I love playing with AI and ChatGPT and all that other stuff. Would you like a competitor analysis to focus on specific companies, or should I identify key competitors? Identify key competitors yourself. Yeah. Should I tailor recommendation based on a specific budget, or should I assume flexibility? All right. This is the mega prompt of the mega prompts. If you want to download this prompt, hit me up and I will send you this prompt. I'm going to link in the chat my calendar. You can book a meeting with my calendar, and on that strategy call, I'm basically going to show you how you can fix your business and at the same time come up with strategies on how to actually grow, potentially make your business better. All right, does that sound good? All right, book the link in the chat and let's talk about it. Yeah, it's actually free. It won't cost you anything. All right, so let's take a look at my friend's website here. So we have Terra Supra skincare. Welcome to spring 2023. This website needs to be updated. Let's see here, 100% natural, clean, soft. I mean, look at this website. It looks really nice. I'm actually impressed, right? It looks really nice. You got the bundles. Some items are sold out. This is really good. Exfoliants, infused flaxseed oil. I mean, this is really cool, right? This is really cool. And you also get a 20% discount. We got some logos here. We got some feedback. Look at that, 5-star feedback. Like this, what this business should be doing really well, right? You would think. But let's see what AI says. Let's take a look at the product here. All right, so we got some Canada Glacial Clear, bamboo, hemps, jade roller. What else we got? Skincare sets, Terra Clay salt scrubs, Alma moisturizing oils. Oh man, this is really good. This is really good. Okay. ChatGPT is still analyzing. It's verifying connections. It's getting resources here. And let's see here. All right, so I mean, the website is really good. Like, it looks good to me. Exfoliants, moisturizers, skin sets. Like it looks really good. All right. Sold out. It's on sale. And let's see what else. Exfoliants here. All right. Okay, good. I like it. I love it. There's an FAQ page. There is a review page. Like, it's really good. Like, overall, 37 reviews. Really nice. Really nicely done. FAQ is there. Contact page is there. Perfect. I mean, it makes sense. This website makes sense to me. So let's find out what ChatGPT is all about and what deep research is all about. Deep research is the newest component of ChatGPT, and you can basically get it to write PhD level language analysis and detail. Okay, this thing can come up with like 40 pages of what you can do, how you can do it. Again, my friend just said, if you are not using deep research and operator, you are cooked. You are cooked, because these tools, not only are they going to give you all the information of the internet, but they're actually going to compose it into something that actually makes sense, digestible. You can write essays, you can write research paper, you can audit a business, you can fix your business, you can actually do some of the most important things that you can ever think about. And this is, honestly, this is just mind blowing, right? I'm just showing you one of the aspects of how to use this tool, and this aspect is all about you fixing and helping your business to grow bigger and better, right? You can do this for any business. It doesn't have to be e-commerce. It can be a coaching business, it could be a consulting business, it could be an engineering business, it could be anything you can think of, as long as you have the data. Actually, here's one pro tip. Pro tip is upload everything. Upload the financials on ChatGPT and get it to do deep research and take a look at, hey, this is where all the money is going. Here's how we can spend it better. Hey, this is where all our employees are working on. Hey, this is how you can make it better. Chef's kiss. Honestly, if you're not doing it, you're missing out. All right, let's see where we are so far with this deep research. All right, we're still navigating. Oh, this guy is navigating Amazon's access. Ooh, wow, we got 23 sources already. Like, this thing is really, really good. Okay, here's a full business analysis report. Company overview. Terra Super Skincare is Canadian skincare company. Whoa, this guy is actually accurate. It actually is very, very accurate. Look at that. Wow. Canadian skincare company specializing in natural exfoliants and moisturizers. It operates blah, blah, blah. Okay. 100% Canadian owned, family owned business, founded team. Wow. Look at that. Mission value. Like, it grabbed everything from their website. This is so cool. Business model and revenue streams. Okay, operates on a product-based business model, selling proprietary skincare products. E-commerce sales. Company's Shopify-powered website. Look at that. It even knows it's. Oh, this thing is blowing my mind right now. Wholesale retail. Their super products are stocked in select stores. That's awesome. Emerging media sales. Commercial, did a TV commercial and everything. Future product stream, the company is expanding its products. Adding Glacier. Oh man, this is so good. Overall, Terra Super business model is a hybrid D2C e-commerce with retail distribution. I love it. Online presence and branding. Okay, now we're getting into the auditing. Website audit, performance, SEO, mobile, UX. Ooh. It's a clean, modern e-commerce site built on Shopify, blah, blah, blah. The design emphasizes natural soft. In terms of performance, the site generally loads quickly due to Shopify CDN. That's good. All right, let's keep moving here. Terra Supra's on-site SEO appears modest. I don't like that. Modest. That means something is missing. All right, the site has relevant content, product page, description, blah, 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 and the blog section, keywords and metadata. The homepage meta description is generic. Okay, now we're finding things to fix here. Blog utilization. The Terra blog news has relevant posts, but ensuring that SEO is optimized with proper headings, meta tags, internal links, blah, blah, blah. Link building. Being a relatively new brand, Terra Super would benefit from external links. Basically, we don't have any there. Technical SEO. The site structure is clean. No deep subdirectories and uses HTTPS. That's good. Mobile friendliness. Design, user experience. Like, this is all good and dandy. Like, oh man, imagine sending this to a client to be like, yo, I'm going to hire you right now as soon as possible. Online reviews. TerraSupra has cultivated an excellent reputation among its initial customers. On their website, they showcase a 4.9 average. Oh man, 38 customers. Yeah, it's exactly what we saw there. This is really good. Yo, guys, this deep research is insane. Insane. Against competitors. Okay, here we go. TerraSupra's brand might still be less known. Oh, we got a not so good rating there. Nationally or internationally. Big natural skincare, Lush, The Body Shop, Burt's Bees have stronger brand recognition. However, TerraSupra's dedication to a specific niche, clay salt exfoliant, and oh man, this is so good. In summary, online presence is solid for a young company, a functional website, active social media, excellent initial reviews. The brand is perceived as authentic, high quality, and caring. Love it. Okay, market position. Okay, I'm not gonna read through all these stuff. As you can see, it's a lot of stuff that we need to go through here. I'm gonna skip down to the end. I need to know how. Hold on. There's a SWOT analysis in here. Unique product formula, authentic brand. Those are the strengths. Customer satisfaction, agility and passion. Growing multi-channel presence. Weakness, limited brand awareness. We all know what that means. It means you're not posting enough, right? Narrow product line. Small team resources, high customer education requirement. You're not educating your clients. Operational scalability. Okay, so opportunities, market expansion. This is ample room to grow the business in Saskatchewan, Canada, in US, and globally. Product line expansion, introduce complementary products, face wash, light day cream, blah, 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 all those good things. Partnerships, growing customer interest. Oh man, this is so good. Threats, intense competition, market education, economic factors. Okay, regulatory changes, supply chain sourcing. All right, sales and marketing, organic, social, content marketing. This is really good. This is really, let's keep going down. Let's keep going down. You can see this guy did a lot of research. Oh man, I'm gonna skip all this. Like, it's all good and dandy, but I really want to know the checklist. I really want to know how we can fix this business. All right, here we go. Let's see here. Now to summarize, yes, that's what I wanted. Ensure clarity for execution. Below a checklist of action items. So here's the action items that we get. We got the full business analysis report, which is above. Yes, that's good and dandy. Online presence, all that good jazz. Checklist, action items, SEO, compress images, meta tags, site UX, highlight reviews, social media, create a 4-week content calendar, retargeting ads, install Facebook Pixel, email automation, set up abandoned cart emails. This is something that anybody can do. Anybody can do this. This is actually really good. Operation streamline. Streamline order fulfillment. Batch label printing. Schedule local deliveries. Document SOPs. Customer outreach. Personally contact 4-star reviews for feedback and respond pending questions. Advertising. Content marketing. Partnerships. So good. Loyalty programs, analytics, performance. So, and then it actually gives us a step-by-step growth plan. Week 1, optimize your website, set up Facebook, design emails, post introductory social content. Week 3 to 4, kick off first target website. Oh man, this is actually really good. All right. Now, if you think that this video was value to you, I would love to hear from you. Send me a DM, book a link below, and let's see how we can fix your business. All right, see you on the flip side.